where's Mike? Like, where is he? And then I see him out my window. I'm like, why is he over there? And then he pulled up, and then I'm looking at the front. I'm like, why is there dirt? I'm like, oh. All right, what up, YouTube? What is going on today? So we are hitting a car meet hosted by us, Unity, South Florida. We have Dez's RCF. We have my Rc350. We have Max's Rc350. We have Alex's Civic. And of course the Iceman, Dre, his Rc350 in the back. And then we're gonna head out. Everybody loves this car, so there it is, hiding, looking all mystic and stuff.
The ghost.
The ghost. Alex, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna be out. All right, so we're gonna get in the cars, head to the event, and we'll see you all there.
Step into the unknown, 'cause this is where dreams are born. Million miles away, but it still feels like home in the land of
hanging around the ship launching. That was the NASA exhaust.
What in the NASA space shuttle missile launch?
It looks like a turtle.
Yeah, it shoots missiles out of it.
Bro.
That's all stainless steel.
Shoots missiles.
Max.
It looks like it, bro. It looks like it, right?
So Max, you got the Saibon hood. Where is he? You got the Saibon hood, the vents. You got, what is this? Tom's strut bar. Tom's gas cap. It's clean.
I gotta get my engine covered then.
Let me know if you think it would be a cool idea.
Okay.
I know you're going for that orange look, right?
Okay.
Why don't you passive dip this shit orange? Or you think that'll be too much orange?
$400.
Ooh, never mind. Keep it like this. Put the stickers on it.
No, because I asked, because I was going to do it forged blue carbon. $400.
Orange blue.
Classy dip.
Why'd
Classy
you
wrap.
paint this though? I know a lot of people done that, right?
Oh, yeah. I just did mine.
I'm gonna do that.
But you're gonna do orange?
Next video, by the way, how to paint your engine cover.
Blue and black. Blue and gloss black.
That'll be nice. Okay. And maybe do this orange. The actual Lexus sign, keep it like blue and black, and then the Lexus sign orange for it pops up.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, a nice little thing.
Big blower.
It's a lot of money right here. Hold up. About 400,000. About 400,000.
That's a challenge when they find a Hellcat. Yeah, and the Destroyer Gray. I had the Hellcat Cinnamon on my scale. Oh, Cinnamon steak, yeah. I traded for this one.
It is?
I was behind him. So I'm like,
you just
I'm like, at the same time, I'm like, bro, they all got RCs and I'm only IS. I'm like, let them boys go first.
Nah. All right, so let's talk about what happened.
You don't
want to talk about it?
It
happened, but it's back though. It's back though.
The thing is, the next meeting was like, I lost my lip. I'm like, how did you lost your lip? You just got the lip. Like, literally 18 hours ago.
Listen. He pulled up on me. Driving on, I'm like, yo, I slow down. I'm like, yo, where's Mike? Like, where is he? And then I see him out my window. I'm like, why is he over there? And then he pulled up, and then I'm looking at the front. I'm like, why is there dirt? I'm like, oh. And then he pulled up, and like, it was all.
My emblem is gone. He didn't tell me my lip was gone.
I didn't see the lip. I saw. Listen. When you see a giant in the front of your Lexus,
you can tell.
You can tell something's wrong.
Bruh is like, he didn't want to tell me my lip was gone.
I didn't see the lip.
I'm driving, I'm looking at people's cars like this, how you can see the reflection. And I'm like, bruh, it don't look right. Because my bumper was falling off. So I'm like, nah. Until a black car ride past, I'm like, I called Drake. Yo, my lip is gone, bro.
I didn't want to tell him. Cause copyright strikes.
What did I use to rub it out?
Turtle wax. So let's go see it now. You saw it before.
If you ever want to sell it again, take it out, put yours back in.
So, long story short, somebody came into his lane. All the front end was damaged, and now it's better.
This could come off of like a newer year?
No, same year. Yeah, the fitment's off, but that's because of how they. So this is how you can tell they definitely replaced it, because they didn't put the screws in the right spot when they remounted the hood. You get your gap. So pop the hood. Yeah. No, it's not tightening. It's where it mounts. So, depending on those screws at the bottom, so right here, if these are off like a little bit, so they'll probably be sitting forward more back. That's why the latch in the front looks further. So they ain't like position it right now. It's a testing those things hard because it's also weight. So probably adjusting it forward or back. That way it sits back. And once it does, so you gotta either move it more forward, more up, so that it can be really back, or just one at a time. That's what you do, you just loosen it a little bit. Nah, it ain't the demon no more. It's not the demon no more. The demon is a bad omen. But it's one of those things where you know as a driver,
yeah, and him, he spots every little thing, every little thing.
Thank you, sir.
Just do it.
Just
the look of it, you can tell like, you
Nah, but the fender goes down and then it comes up.
So you still got to get the fender line. But you good. You good. You know somebody stole my F Sport caps? They stole 2 of them.
What, did?
Yeah. They stole 2 of my F Sport caps, valve stems. I'm like, they only $3, man. What you stealing them for?
They put them on a bike.
Oh, you got an F Sport bike? Yeah, my bike's an F Sport.
Access my spare right there.
Oh, time to head out. Police got us ready to go. It's about 11 o'clock at night anyway, so it's time to head out. Finish this tomorrow, and we'll go back into it.
All right, brother.
All right, well, anytime, Brody.